Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are drafting a queen hand neckline. What do we need for this pattern drafting is, first of all, our basic bodice pattern. We are also going to need our pencil, our tape measurements, our scissors, and of course our pattern maker. So let's get into it quickly. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to measure a 3 inches on our neckline. Our width neckline is going to be 3 inches up here. We're going to measure 3 inches here, and from that same top neckline we're going to measure another 8 inches downward. That's going to be our neck depth. The depth of our neckline is going to be 8 inches. So we're marking 8 inches here, and we are also going to mark another 5 inches from the top as well. So we'll mark 5 inches here. After marking our 5 inches here, the reason why we're making this 5 inches is to get the curvy part of our neckline, of our queen hand neckline. So from that 5 inches point, we're going to mark another 4.5 inches inward. We're going to mark another 4.5 inches inward from the 5 inches point here. We'll mark another 5.5 inches inward. So the next thing we're going to do now is to connect our points. We're going to connect our points to form and make our neckline obvious. So right from here, we're going to connect from the 3 inches inward neck width. We're going to connect it down to our 4.5 inches inward. So at this point, some people usually make theirs very straight like this, but for this particular neckline we are making today, I want it to be curvy. You can make it look curvy, at least to make your neckline look a bit elegant. So we're going to make a straight line here. We're going to make our own curvy, just like this. That, in my own opinion, would make our neckline look very elegant. Do you see that? So from that 4.5 inches inward, we're going to form another curve here. From that 4.5 inches inward, we're going to curve it right straight down to our 8 inches downward here. So at this point, we need our curve to be really curvy, just like this. We want it to be really curvy. Yes, so we'll go like this. Do you see that? So the next thing we're going to do, the final thing we're going to do, is to cut off the excess parts of the pattern. So we're going to cut it just like this. We'll go like this. Then also we go like this. That's it. So here we have our queen hand neckline. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, if you're watching at this moment, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so that we'll keep giving you beautiful and amazing tutorials like this. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.